coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine?
Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Mishang Vlog. For this video, we're gonna do some try on and unboxing. Disclaimer lang po tayo. I'm not a top model as you like. If you don't like to my video, you're gonna go to other wall. So these are mga lalabs. And for this video, I am prepared for open mind only, guys. If you don't like, alam nyo na. I am not a sexy one. Kaya yun, for this video mga langga, so I have from Shein mga langga as usual. And this is reminders, this is not a sponsored one by Shein. And yes guys, for this video is not a sponsored one by Shein, but I'm always gonna say thank you in advance as always to Mr. Baron for the support and buying this stuff. Thank you for the sponsorship, and thank you to all of my also and my member. And if you would like to join on my if you like to support on my channel, please do join on the join button mga. So let's start mga langga. I do have a bikini, 2-piece mga langga. I have 2-piece here. So let me gonna show you. Ayan, diretsahan na tayo guys. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Kaya yon, I have 2-piece. So ayan guys, nice one. This is nice one color. Kintab-kintab siya. Pero let's try it on guys. Kasi to be honest, yung ano niya, yung top niya, napaka-nice niya. Pero hindi ko alam kung, kasi hindi siya naa-adjust mga langga. This is not adjustable. Hindi siya naa-adjust. But before we're gonna do try, hopefully magkasya or ano sa atin yung tawag nito. Pero ano pala siya, ganun lang pala siya, simple lang pala siya guys. So isasabit mo lang siya ng ganun, wala siyang kapareho, ganun lang siya kasimple. Yun, ihuhook mo lang siya, hook lang siya guys. Tapos next time guys, wag kayo, hindi ako bibili ng ganito na hindi siya naa-adjust. Kasi wala siyang adjust kasi if ever, 'di ba, maluwag sa so lugi ka, hindi mo magugustuhan. So let's do try on mga lalabs kasi alam nyo na. So tara. I have to ayan, to be honest, napakita ko na rin ito sa aking live, but I did not really do try on. So this is mga langga is may pagka-push up siya. Wala siyang wire, hindi siya under wire. Ay, wala siyang wire dito, pero yung foam niya ang magdadala ng pagpupush sa yun, magdadala ng shape sa'yo. Pero I think na this is a nice one. This is my favorite color, or also my second favorite color. Ayan, it's a pink. So match siya sa i-try on natin dito. This is like a sports bra mga langga. It's a sports bra. Ayan, nice one to siya. So ipapartner ko rin siya mga lalabs dito before natin i-try on to. Ayan, let me gonna show you this. Ipapartner ko dito. Ayan, it's a pink also mga lalabs. This is my favorite one. Also like the color blue. This is my favorite one. May pagka-purple siya guys. May pagka-purple and ano siya guys. Ang gusto ko lang siya is just like a shorts. Napaka-nice niya. So, yun mga lalabs. Let's do try on na mga.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look?
And the last one mga langga, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is ito. Ayan, ito mga lalabs. It's a purple one. Yan, I think, nakita nyo na to siguro. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, this is the nice one. Pang 4 colors ko na to. 3 colors, 4 colors sa ganito na design. So, I'm gonna show you this and let's do try on again. Kaya, gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. Kaya, umorder. Hindi ka kasi maka-order nito, guys, ng buy set. One, ano talaga siya, nasad ako kasi, if ever na mag-order ka ng ganito, kailangan isa lang ng isa. So, medyo napapamahal mapapamahal ka bawat isa nito kasi hindi mo siya bibili ng buy set. Kaya yun, na-like ko siya kasi napaka-smooth niya dito. Kaya if you remember guys, I have blue and I have red. And then, again, this is the purple one. And I've been ordered again mga langga. Wait nyo na lang. Next time, I have pink and I have black. So, yon, wait nyo na lang guys kung i-rate natin guys kung ano talaga ang maganda sa atin. I have blue, red, and ano ba yung isa? Yun, di ko na ma-remember. Basta blue, and then this is the purple. China natin mga lalabs.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine?
So, ayan na nga mga langga, all in one, 100%. Gustong-gusto ko silang lahat, mga langga. Kita nyo naman, hindi ko na siya tinanggal, as in, suot-suot ko na siya. So, sorry sa mga nag-aabang, hindi ko siya ipapamigay, bagkos, dadagdagan ko pa siya, mga langga. Ayan, 100% talaga. I love it so much talaga. Before then, let me gonna say thank you to Mr. Baron for this top and for the love. So, thank you for watching. And also,